Okay, so we're up to this bit here. We're going to put the LCD on. But what I like to do, just give me a second. So I'm just going to get it to the phone. So I'm going to snip it. Cut a piece like this. We're going to sit it underneath the screen here. That'll sort of help the screen line up when we put it inside this resin case. It's been sanded and sprayed. It's nice and clear now. I'm going to push these things through. It's up to you how far, but I think like there's okay. And then we'll hopefully they're pretty even. We'll solder them on straight away. Then we'll deal with the touch of solder there, and then if I can get this on camera, touch of solder there. Double check that they're the height we want them. Pretty even. Put it in the front. Talk about centering it. And then okay, that should have done that part of it. And so anyway, may as well snip these guys off. Try to do it on camera. Alright, one. You've got to sort of point them downwards because they do want to fly around. Get them fly past. Like mini bullets. So, yeah, right there. And get some nice trimmed off. The last thing to do is to set up this screen, and we can see, look, it's pretty flat. The phone behind it. So we'll sit it right here. I don't want to actually sit it this way. I don't want to melt that. Definitely don't want to melt the header. It's very easy. One touch of the soldering iron, and it all just ends up being a mess. Pretty much we should be able to see what's happening. And that's that little bit done. And where are we? Over here. So if we can adjust this light, get a better. So it looks fine. And then this looks like this now. On this side, we'll zoom out and see how it all is. And all we need now is the Pi Zero. The Pi Zero 2W. Not a Pi Zero 1, it has to be a Pi Zero 2. And it runs like a bare metal core, and that interfaces with the Commodore using the expansion port, which is made exactly for this reason, to expand it. Okay, we'll continue with the just the bottom of the case. Looks nice and clear as well. Pull this back so it can stay on there, and then I should have gone over the button, but I didn't. So we'll try and force this back there. Gotta go over this button. So that's in there. Just gonna put it back. Now the trick is it needs to clip on this side first. Once it sort of clips in, the rest of it snaps in. Hopefully that was all. This little bit in here, make sure it all is in, and that's it. So next is just to test it. So we've got this, the rad as well. It's going to go in its own case. And the lid, there's the lid. Okay. Again, I'm going to clip on this side. It's in, and then this side here clips in, and that's it. This one here is ready to test, and you put the SD card in there. Now I have to get the 64 out.